How to use subject pronouns and object pronouns and form sentences we will see in this video. Before that, a sentence structure is subject plus verb plus object. The pronouns whichever are used in subject positions, they are called as subject pronouns. The pronouns which are used in object positions, they are called as object pronouns. Subject pronoun I. Subject pronoun I will become me when it goes to object position. Subject pronoun you will be you only in object position. Subject pronoun he will become him when it goes to object position. She will become her in object position. It will become it only. We will become us. You will become you only. They will become them in object position. Let us see some examples. You inform me. In this sentence, you is subject pronoun. Me is object pronoun. They inform you. They is subject pronoun. You is object pronoun. I inform him. I subject pronoun, him object pronoun. You inform us. You subject pronoun, us object pronoun. We inform them. We subject pronoun, them object pronoun. This way you can use subject and object pronouns and form simple sentences.